Problem solving. So, what does the problem solving appear appealing? The primary reason is people have trouble with problem solving is that there's no single procedure that work all the time. Means each problem must be considered slightly different. Also, problem solving required practical knowledge about the specific situation. If there's a misunderstanding of either a problem or underlying situation, we may make mistake or incorrect assumptions. The one main goal is to become better problem solver. To begin this task, there's need to discuss a framework for thinking about problem solving. This is called Polya's four-step approaching the problem solving. Polya's four-step approach to the problem solving have a four-step procedures. First is preparation or understand the plan. The second is thinking time or devise a plan. 3 is insight, carry out the plan. 4 is verification or look back. So number 1 is preparation or understand the plan. Learn the necessary underlying mathematical concept and consider the terminology and notation used in the problem. This is the questions. What is the problem all about? What sort of a problem is it? And what is being asked? Number 2 is thinking time or a device plan. How are we going to treat the problem? So we're gonna do the positive strategies. First is we gonna do the draw a pictures, use a varieties and choose helpful name for variables or unknown. Number 3 is insight or carry out the plan. First step is solve. Number 2 is once you have an idea for new approach, jot it down immediately, and when you have time, try it out and see if it leads to a solution. If the plan does not seem to be working, then start over and try another approach. Often, the first approach does not work. Don't worry if an approach does not work. Often, the first approach does not work. Don't worry if an approach does not work. It does not mean you did wrong. You actually accomplished something. Knowing a way does not work is a part of the process of elimination. The key is to keep trying until something works. Number 4 is verification. Look back. Once you have a potential solution, check to see if it works. Did you answer the question? Double check to make sure that of all conditions related to the problem are satisfied. Double check any computation involved in finding your situation. Can the problem or method be generalized so as to be useful for future problems? Remember, problem solving is as much an art as it is a science. Example for Polya's four-step problem solving. Example number 1 is every person at the party of 28 people said hello to each of the other people at the party exactly once. How many hellos were said at the party? We're gonna do the Polya step. So first is understand the problem. The question is what is the problem all about or what is being asked? This is the problem about two people in a party saying hello to each other. The task is to determine the number of hello word uttered or said. Step 2 is devise a plan. Draw a picture, use a variable and choose helpful name for variables or unknowns. The third step is carry out the plan. So guideline question is what is the solution to the problem? The last step is look back. The guide question is did you answer the question? Can the problem or method be generalized so as to be useful for future problems?